Gentlemen of the press, you recall that last month, 21st December 2023, the National Economic Council of the country met, and among other deliberations, they constituted the NEC ad hoc committee against crude oil theft. And this is consistent with the growing concern of stakeholders of this menace called crude oil theft that has reduced our production status drastically and has caused untold hardship to the country and almost tampering with the solvency margin of our currency. And today we met as the first meeting since after the reconstitution to develop a work plan that will be used by the committee to be able to confront this case of crude oil theft headlong. It is my hope that by going by our deliberation today, that we will be able to make the difference as our own contribution towards national development.
Okay, so what are the outcome of the outcome of the meeting, your deliberations?
I just told you we just developed a roadmap, an action plan that we will take, and at this stage of preliminaries, we're trying to identify really the areas of leakages and the likely causes and what had made this possible. But our concern, which is the concern of all Nigerians, is to restore the Nigerian oil production profile to either better what it used to be, or at the best, at least where it was, which is 2-point-something million barrels a day. And we are committed not to disappoint the expectations of the National Economic Council.
Thank you. In terms of, I don't know whether discussions about, increasing the punishments for likely perpetrators.
We are just starting. We can't predict ourselves. It's not prophecy. We will do a thorough job and we will impress stakeholders.
So are there timelines for that you're looking at?
It is a standing committee. As soon as the problem is solved, the committee will die.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.